So here's the deal. I didn't do my proper research today. It turns out it's really cloudy and really rainy where I am on this hike. That's okay nonetheless. I don't mind it. It's just the views may not be what they should be. If you look, it's really quite the sustained rock scramble. It's a moderate hike, nothing too bad. Oh, it's really quiet up here. All right, trail wants us to go right here, but we're actually going to go left. Mount Joe's a small mountain, under 2,900 feet, I believe, and it's only like a 1.8 mile hike. Great to do in the afternoon. Beautiful views up top. But before we make our way up the mountain, I wanted to show you all this. This is Heart Lake. If you can hear me, it's getting pretty windy now, but this right here is Heart Lake. Beautiful lake, and you can see, I don't know how well the GoPro's picking it up, but the colors in the trees are really starting to pop. It is September 17th. See how cold the water is. It's not too cold, still pretty warm. Temperatures today are in the 60s. It's actually been a pretty warm September and fall here in the Adirondacks. Early start to fall, rather. All right, I have officially checked into the trailhead register. Mount Joe has two ways you can go. There's the long trail, then there's the short trail. The short trail is much steeper than the long trail, so choose wisely which way you want to go. Today we're going to do the short trail up. All right, we've reached the split for the short trail and the long trail. We're gonna go right, take the short trail. The last time I hiked this, we went up the short way, and frankly, I just found it far more interesting than the long way, because it's a bit more rocky. Yes, I'm a sweater. Can you tell? I sweat heavy when I hike. Really when I do anything. I'm also a big guy, which, you know, doesn't help. You look, it's really quite the sustained rock scramble. Really for a couple tenths of a mile, just keeps going. Some steps. That'll make it a smidge easier. You can see where we are here. Not too far off the summit, maybe, I don't know, 2/10 of a mile. And you can see, pull out here, there's the Adirondack Lodge. That's where we started, that little green dot. It's honestly a pretty simple jaunt through the woods. Then you can see here, in these lines, gradient lines, it starts to get a bit more steeper. I think this is what, 700 feet roughly elevation gain. Not bad. Well, look who decided to join the party. It's the sun. Some blue skies clearing out ahead of us, over top of us, but it's still cloudy elsewhere. That's all right. Almost there. Oh, it's really quiet up here. It's beautiful. Look at this. How green it is for this late in the year, especially. A little bit muddy, not a problem. That's why we wear hiking boots. I always like walking up these, it's fun. Sun's still out. That's good news.